In this video, we will install the subframe and rear transmission mount. Position the subframe under the chassis and lift it with a jack. Pull the coolant hoses out of the way and continue to lift the subframe. Find where the front transmission mount fits into the subframe. Align the transmission mount with the rear hole of the subframe. Loosely install the original bolt through the mount. The subframe has a nut welded to it for the bolt to thread into. Attach the front driver side of the subframe using half of the hardware from the K23C baggie. Repeat the process on the passenger side of the subframe. Lift the subframe until it makes contact with the rear of the chassis. Loosely install two of the original subframe bolts. On manual cars, attach the rear transmission mount with hardware from the N23C baggie. Use the original transmount bolts along with hardware from N23C to attach the mount to the subframe. In automatic cars, the solid transmission mount attaches to the aluminum structure on the transmission. You'll use donor bolts along with nuts and washers from the N23D baggie. Run all of the bolts in to close up the slack. Torque the subframe hardware to 35 foot-pounds with 17mm tools. Torque the transmission bolts to the specs shown on screen. Torque the front transmission mount bolt to 35 foot-pounds with a 17mm socket. Torque the front subframe bolts to 100 foot-pounds with a 15/16 socket. The carriage bolts will bite into the subframe as you tighten the nuts. Don't tighten the rear subframe bolts at this time.